Hello from Excel Visa. Today is Advent of Code 2023, day 23, a long walk. Okay, let's see the puzzle. So today we have a map like this one, and then we have a hiking trail. Indicate part with dot, forest with sharp and steep slope with arrow sign here. And when we the the slope is icy, so we have to move downhill, so we cannot go backward from the arrow. So this is how to move in that direction. And then another thing is we never step on the same tile twice, and then so we have go like this, down down down, and then go to the end. And the question is how many step long is the longest height, so we have to find longest one. Okay, so let's try. Just get the input here. I have Excel, so this is the one. And to make the map, so I use mid of all this, then sequence of length on the first one, assume that's all equal, and then 1 effective RH. So this is the map, and then make it easier to see. I use conditional. I like equal to sharp, put it to dark, fill with dark here. Okay, so we have this slope only go down, this one only go right, and then just make all the way to this one. So let's find, so the one that I just did recently is seem like I think it's called breadth first search or something like that. So that one will find the shortest one, but for the longest one I cannot use that method, but I can use that one to help to find the shortest between each joint. So want to find from this joint to each joint here. So first have to list all the joint for, so okay, MP is the map here, and then for the joint I want to count how many connection to that joint, which is here I have 3. So I have to find up, down, left, and right. So let's say dx is, I use up for -1000. So this is up, down, up right is 1, and then down is 1000, left is -1. And along with the arrow, so AR is up is this, and right, down, and left, no, oh, left here. Now we have to check each part here. So okay, let's start from this one. This is 7004. Okay, so M is 7004. Then the next move will be M plus dx. I have all the next move, and then I have to check coordinate on each of this one. So I can do it one by one using map. So okay, with map with MP. First I need to check if that one is not sharp, and then another thing I need is row and column coordinate, which is sequence of rows MP times by 1000, and then plus sequence of columns MP, then lambda, this is M, and this is, okay, let's call it I. Okay, A. Just display A first to see. Have like this. So we go up, be -1000. So now I want to count how many that not dot. So okay, let B is A plus dx. This will get me 4 direction. And then I need to check if it's not 0. This means it's on top and on the left first. So need row and column, which is row is int of B by 1000. Column is mod of B by 1000. And then multiply by C first. Oh, wait. And this is giving me 4 array here, and map only need 1. So, and then with that one, so if this, then I want to check index of MP by R and C that not equal to sharp. Okay, I can multiply it together. Not equal to sharp. And if this right, I want to return B. No, I want to return that point, which is A. Okay. No, not yet. This is the checking. Okay, I just sum. Okay. And this one on the right, this and the bottom one will give error. So before that, I want to call to get rid of error. And this one have to be 3, and then sum. Yep, sum. Oh, to call. Oh, if to call 3. Cross, another cross. No. If. Oh, no, not if. I need if here. What? Wait, to call. Okay, 3 have to be here. Ignore error. This one. Yep. So this the connection. Is it 4? Something not right. Oh, R by C. So okay. If here, I need if. This one. I close this one. Yep. So all 3. Something is not right. RC. This is given 3. Okay, I'm not sure. If S here, S is better, but still 3. Call. Yeah, to call is wrong. Okay, I get it. I need minus sign. Okay, this is better. And another check if that one has to be not equal to sharp. So another if M is not equal to sharp, then go with this to call. Yep. Okay, HOI. Now I want to forget that the thing that is not equal to 2, which is not joint. So okay. So this means this sum had to be not equal to 2. No, wait. I also don't want the if. Okay, I think I'll just put if outside. So if this one, then sum. Okay, it's called. What is false? And it's NA. To call. Yep, wrong bucket. Okay, this is better. And now I want to check if this one is not equal to 2. Then if this is not equal to 2, then give me the address, which is M. Oh no, not M. I need A. Yeah, okay. Now with all this, I can get rid of all the for with if S here, and then to call. call of 3. Okay, so this is give me 9 node here. Now I need to find the distance from each node. Let's say if I have one here, I want to find until this point. So let's try that. Also need all of this. So let's say we start from this one, which is 6. Okay, it's okay. This one. So okay, A is this one. Then next point will be B plus DX. No. B is equal to A. So this is B. So this is the next point. Now I need to check if that point is have arrow as the same. So this mean I cannot go up here. Okay, so I have to check that one also. So okay, let's go back from that RC. I still need that. This one. So RC is this one, and then if multiply by C, then index of MP by R by C. Okay, I have the arrow, but this one I have to go up, but the arrow is down, so it doesn't match. This means I have to check with this arrow. So okay, let's say this is the move. Okay, this is the move, and this is the M, and I have to check if M is not equal, have to be equal to AR. Yes. Okay, we have two here, and another thing is it can be also can be dot. So this one have to be all condition which is plus M equal to dot. Then okay, I can move on this too, and I don't want to go back on the same. So okay, let's say get for this is the step, and then if this is the step, okay, I can just multiply this condition together and return B. Okay, and then if S, you get that one to NA, and then I can go with to call with 3. So this is my next move from this 6-4 here. And then if I continue from this, so say A is this one. Now I go back to 6004 again, and that I don't want that one, so I have to check if it's not happened before. So okay, let's try with reduce. Start with this one, and then 1 round is 2 round is this one, and then lambda A and I, and then let something wrong with this. B is this one. Cross. Okay, so this is not checking, and okay, let's go back with 1. For checking, I have to have the previous part. So instead of just this is my next part, which is go with D. Okay, then I can like stack A and D. So I have the next part here, and then to check if B is not exit in that part, I can go with is and A not fine, and then X match B with previous part, which is, and previous part I need 1 column, so to call of something wrong with tab, I don't know, A with 3. Okay, now another thing is this A will take everything. I only need the last column. So AF is last column, so take A by last column, and sometimes it will have NA, so I don't want that one NA. So to call with 3 here, and this one become AF, Yep. Okay, let's try with 2. Okay, it's just continue here. And then if I just like continue 20, it's just go along HOI here, but it not stop. It should stop when I find the next one. Let's say, oh, it may not find anything yet, so let's go 50. So it's like keep going. I don't know the stop part here. I want it to stop when I find next part, because like if I go to from this to this, I only want this one. I don't want from this to the next node. Okay. Okay, let's change this one to this. Okay. So this is just one node, so it should stop here. That means another condition to make it stop is I have to find all of this is equal to the start point. Okay. But don't count the first one. So that means when I is only check when I is more than 1. So, okay. So another check, I put it in if there. So if I is equal to 1, just go with 1. Don't check anything. If not, then I will check AF, which could be more than 1 row. So, okay, X match AF with the part, okay, with the join. Okay, I say this one is JS. So it's JS. X match A with JS have to be not found. So is and A not found. And multiply this one. Oh, wait, 1, 2. Okay, so it's going, but at some point there will be no next move. This means if I go with, I don't know, 10, still good. 12. Okay, next move is 13. 6004. Okay, I'm not sure how. 15. Okay, this one. And then the next move, I think this one cause error. So this means there's no next move from here. So I think that will cause this one to error. Okay, let's try. Just show me the D and reduce, start from this one and run one time. Okay, this is go backward. Okay, let's say that I know. So, okay, just go with this. So if it's error on D, on the first one, just give me the A and else go with S step. Okay, this means I can overshoot 50. It still go like that. It can go 100. Now with this, I can find the distance, but let's say if I have moved this one to other point, like this. Okay, maybe this point. So I have to, this one, 1414, I have to find how the distance from this 1414. So I need to check if this one is equal to something. So, and then I have to check it all here. This means I have to go with map and check one by one. So this is reduced, and I don't want to check the start point. So with this one, I don't check to start point. This means I have to drop the first column out. So, okay, drop first column out. Don't check the first one, and then NA, get rid of it. So if NA, just give me 0. Okay, so this will be my part PS. Okay, PS. Now I have to check the distance from that part. Okay, let's say this one. So I have to go with map with JS again, and then lambda J. I will check if J equal to PS, and then it will give me true false on some of this, and then I need to check the column number. So that means I go with this one multiplied by sequence of column of PS here, and then the one that false is going to be 0, so I need only maximum. Cross. Okay, I have this one, but it have to be in column, so in 2 row. So go with two row on this one. Okay, so this means this 4 can go with 2 row on this one. Can go to 1 to 0 12. No, 22 here, and another part is this one, and then I have to go do it all. So I will go with reduce and restack, which for large array it will take time, but this is small, so okay, just go with reduce. Start with 0. I run with JS, and then lambda j. No, lambda, this have to be the beginning, so h and j, and then let ps is 1, this one I'm starting from j. Cross, this will give me the last row, and then this one I have to go with v stack on the edge. Okay, and then get rid of the first column, first row, drop first row out. Okay, so this is the metric map. Now I think there are some metric function that can do this one, but I don't know that. But okay, so here I'm gonna use my way. So I just check. So say okay, let this is join JS is this one, and then we have this 10 ds with this. So I'm start with the here one, which is min of JS here. I'm start here, and then for the next part, let's say okay, let's say I'm have a, it's this one. Then this 10 from this one, that means I have to go x lookup. So x lookup on a by js by ds to return that one. So with this part, I can go with 15 distance to 6004. This means if I want to keep the part and the distance, instead of this one, I have to go start with 2 columns with the start join. So I'll go step with this one. So this one will give me 1 0 0 2 and 0, which is start distance. And this one I'll go look for the first one only. So this one, so this, and then this means my next part will be 6004. And then I can use like filter, join, and then this one have to be in column. So to call this one. So this is my next move. And I also need my next distance. So this means I have to go stack this one by index of a by column 1 and 2 here plus d. I have to close this one. What? Index of j. Oh, I don't have d. Okay, this one will be my d distance. Okay, distance. And this one d, and then I filter with d. Okay, so this is my next move. And if I continue from this one, my a gonna be this. I have 2 row here, but this function, this one I can only operate 1 row at a time. So if I go this one, it should go from like from 2 to 4 here, but with this add and first row here, it only operate one by one. So if I get rid of this, it's cause error. So this means this one only operate row by row. So okay, so let's make that a function which is nx is lambda a, and then let d is this one. Okay, so nx is, check nx, this one. Yep, first row is show me 2, and this one also show me another 2. But if I go with both, it's just go check on the first one. So that's where I need v stack and reduce, but after some point with large array, that v stack and reduce gonna be really slow. So thanks for bisection method from Peter Bartholomew. The original thing of this one. So okay, I will take that one. So ny. So this bisection use recursion and split each row into half until it get one row, and then operate row and then v stack back. So I need recursion and then a here, and then let n is rows of a. Again, rows of a. Then so if n equal to 1, then I want nx with a. So when it's split, and then if not, then I want v stack. And then recursion here, ny by take the first half of array, so a, and divide by 2. This is first half, and then second half is this one, but I have changed this one to drop v stack, and then go with this, and just in case if error, just make it 0. Okay, so ny here can operate with 2 row or more, so I can go ny, this one, wait, lambda, have to close here, and then ny. Now I can operate any row here, and then with this one, I can use reduce to keep operating until some point. Okay, so this one I'll go with reduce, and I'm starting with s stack on min js by 0, and then sequence of 2, then lambda a and I, and then ny a, cross, okay, with 2, and then with 3, and at some point it will cause error because it's reached the end. 6, now this one goes 0. So I don't want that 0. Okay, let's go 4, 5, and then if it reach this point, I want it to remain the same. So this is because it's no further move, but actually this one, if I reach this point, that means I have to go to the end anyway. So I have force stop it here. This means the only part is going to the end is this one. So I can stop at this point, 220. So another check is I want to make this nx stop when it reach 2020, and then at the end I have to add another 5 here. And another thing is this one I didn't track the previous move, so I don't know which one is previous move, and that may cause duplicate in moving. But since this one is just go one way, so it's not causing that. Okay, but I just gonna add it anyway. So this one, and then I need stop. So en is okay. Last l. Okay, l is this one. Then if this one, okay. So okay, just put it here. So if at a equal to L, then just return A, else go with let. Okay. Now let's try some more. Go with 6. Yep. It's just remain the same. 7. Yep. So it's remain the same here. But another thing is, okay, this one I will get this 10 and then plus 5. So this is all the movement. Okay, let's sort this one by large to small. So the max distance is 94, same as this one, 94. And then another move is 90, 80 something here. So 90, 86, 82, 82, and then 74. Okay. But to make it more solid, I want to check all the part here. So instead of giving update on the last part, I want more than that. Okay. So it mean on this lambda and x here, okay, I say this is rs, and then ny and x on this. I want to like, okay, wait, and x on this one, is stack this one and 0. For that mean I want 1 0 0 2 before this one. So instead of that, I have to here I want to stack the a. So this mean this one, then and with minus. Okay, now I have some track. But next turn here, I want to only take the last number after minus sign. So okay, let AF is the last column after minus sign, which is at plus A. And then text after minus sign, minus 1. But first time we don't have the minus sign yet, so I'll just add it here. So this become my AF, and then change this one to number, minus minus. And then this one become AF equal to A. And then this one AF and a stack A. Yep, had to stack it all. Or do I need another cross? Yep. Okay. And then I have to check. Okay, let's try with this one first. So go with RS. Is it still good? So I see all the part, but this one I haven't checked for the duplicate yet. Since this one is not going reverse, so that is why. Okay, so I'll just take this one and then try with the input. Control A, Control C. Put this one. Control Shift V here, and okay, just copy this to this, and then take it all. what, delete, okay, HOI, then don't need conditional, I think. So I need the joint, which I think I have to lock column and copy to this one. What? Oh, wrong. Okay, let's ship up this one a little bit. Okay, now we have a lot more. So rows, we have 36 row here. And then the distance will be this one. I have to lock column and copy to this one. Have metric of very large RHO dash. Now the last row is the exit, and then only one part that move to exit is this one. So just highlight this. Now I want the formula for that one, which is this one. Only thing I have to input is the last part, which is this one. So copy this and paste to this, but I have to change something. So join is this one. This 10 is this one. And then the last part is this. Got cal. Wow. Okay, so this mean, oh, this one haven't found anything yet because this thing is more than 100. I can go 1000. Okay, so 1000, I have found this one. And okay, this one is working. Now I have all this. And then we'll go with, okay, just drop this one, first column, and then add with the last, this one, add 15 here, and sort by -1. So this is all possible, and then this is my answer. Should be too low. Wow, something. Oh, I see. I only moved 7. It's not reached this one yet, so I have to go more. Okay, let's try with half. Okay, go with 18. Oh, this is more. Okay, checking. Take after. Take this one, first column, and -1. Okay, I go to 168, which is this one. Okay, this one is more promising. This means this is more likely to be the answer. Hope. 3 seconds left. 1, 2, 3. Yep. Gold star. Continue part 2. Now part 2, we have no problem climbing up the slope, so that all slope, take all slope as normal part. You still want to make sure we never step on the same tire twice, and the new longest part is 154. Okay, so this means this number we can go both way, not just this one. So this means I can go with this. Let D is this one, and then I can plus with the transpose this one. So D plus transpose this. Now I can go like two-way LHOI, no? So this means from 0, 12 here, I can go back to some other point. which is 22 here. So I can go forward from this one, and then from 6004 here, I can go back to the start point with 15 instead. But here, if I use this formula with the new one here, it will cause me spill, okay? Because I haven't checked the move back yet. Okay, let's try with 3. So this one is just move back to 102, 1002 again. So another thing I have to check is make sure that it's never going back. So from this filter, I have to check. So okay, that means I have to find if 1002 here is not on the previous one. So I can go that one, which search, and then that means I need to cannot find that one. So is error, find the path which is JS with minus sign. So minus sign JS, and then I want it to complete. So it's not like find the partial one. So if I have 1020, it will not find with 1002. So I add minus sign at the end here. On the A, on the first column, which is this one. So I have to add this one, and also minus sign here at the end. Cross, and then cross. Okay, now I get rid of that minus sign. Then I can go more. Okay, so go with 4. Actually, there are like, we have total of 9, but we get rid of the last one. So we have 8. So I can go with just like 7 to reach all. So, but now I get 0, which is sometimes it's just loop until it's no next move. So I don't want that 0 also. So this means I need to filter 0 out. So let B is this one. Then filter B by index. B first column is more than 0. Let's cross. Yep. So get rid of that. And then with this one, I have to add another 5 again. So be this. Wait. Another 5. Huh? Okay, take this one, minus 1. Okay, so the maximum is 154, which is the same as answer, but let's try with this one. But this expect to be a lot longer. So okay, let's just go with this one first. Okay, first I need another metric of this 10 here. So this means this one plus transpose of this one. And then we need this formula. Okay, just put it here. Now the junction still this one. Is it? No, this one. I think I just locking here, and this 10 will be this. Okay, so this is just 7 turns. It's like rows of this one. 7 turn is return me 142. Okay, so like this one we have 35, I have to move 34 times here. So let's go with just 18 first. This one take really long with Excel. Okay, so like this one is already reached 100,000. Assume that it will go like twice every time. So if this one multiply by 2, I have, and at some point it will be more than million row, and that is beyond Excel that can possibly do. So I need to get rid of something. Okay, let's say we check all the part here. So let ds is this one. Wait. ds this one, and then if ds just want to know the number, and then to call this one by 3, and then sort it. Okay, so like most likely that we don't want to move on the small one. So let's say I don't move until it's this first 3. I don't want to move on that part. So instead of just take all, I just get rid of number that's less than 50. Okay, just more than 52. So with this one, okay, we have this, how many row here? Let's say how much is improved here. So okay, let ds is this one. So de, so if ds is more than 50, then ds. Okay, now I can go e. What's e here? What? Oh, just d, just d. Okay, now I get rid of some. Calculate. So I deduct a lot here. So from 1000 here until like, okay. Now another get rid is I would only want to go along this one when it's not reached the end yet. So okay, the end is this one. Okay, so let's try text. After, check if this one is -1, then minus. Oh, and take first column. Then I want to filter out this when this one is not equal to end part here. Let's see, I get rid of a little bit 1000, but it's better. Now I move 17 here, 18. I need to move 30 something. Okay, let's try more with this. Go with 20 if it's still good. But it's gonna take quite a long time. Okay. And now I'm start with 1, but already take this 1. But if I'm start with 70,000, it's gonna be a lot longer. So all the move I need is 35. I already wait 35 or 34. Wait, I have 35. ignore the first one is 34. So I already moved 20, is it? Wait, huh? Where is it? Oh, it's connect. Okay, this one just move away. Now I just continue this one with another 14. But I'm starting from this one. No, start from this one, but we go with 14. Expect to be very long. Okay, while waiting, I'll just do something else. So we have Excel BI challenge. Let's just go with that. Okay. Okay, just while waiting here. Oh, is this finished? Yep, it's finished. So we have 22 left here. And let's see. Let's check this one. Take after. This. Oh, we have not reached this number yet. 14, 20. 14 is still not enough. This means I need some more move. Okay. I don't know. Just go with 5 here and continue from this. Cal. 1. 2. Oh, something not right. Is it? Oh, I know something is not right. The L here is what is where? AA9. Oh, I didn't stop it. Wow. So I have to change this one. And that's gonna take this one. So this one have to be stop here. Okay. Okay. Fast. Now this one also have to be stop here. I just lock. Yeah. Thought it's gonna be taking time. Okay. Try with. Oh, okay. Fast. Now I reach this one and all of this reach the end here. So this means I can take the answer from this one. So this is, where is it? So this one, take this, but I want to take from this, drop first one, and then add the last movement, which is what? Got the last movement is on the last row. Oh, it's getting rid of this one. 15. Now I get this answer. So 1, Hope this one is right. If it's not right, that means I have to increase the threshold. Yeah, too low. That means my threshold here is maybe I have to move past 50 here. How about I include that one with 48? So 48 instead. And gonna take another long here. Okay, let's try with BI challenge here. So it still calculate. She's taking. Okay, I'll just play with this. So we have this one. Already done this one. So we have to find the next palindrome number, next 3 palindrome number here. So let's download. Still calculate. Oh, it's ready. Okay, my new number is this one. Okay. Okay. Not the right. I guess I have to include that 48 also. Gonna take another quite long time again. 48 and okay. 44. Okay, try. And not sure if Excel can reach that one because okay, just try, but don't know about that. Okay. This one, edit a copy on site. Online here. Calculate. I still see that. So with this one, for the first one, just like find the next number after this. So like sequence of 100. Start by this, and then find is it palindrome. But for the last very large number here, it's gonna take really long time. So instead of that, okay, let n this one. First find the length. So length now is length of n now here. So if it's 3, it means I want to palindrome not in the middle. So in the middle number can be anything here, but if it's even number, I have to palindrome include that one. So just take this in mind. And then I want the first half of number here. Oh, finish. 6. Zero, 1. This is too low. I forgot what my previous number is. Oh, I forgot. Did I? 15. Yep. This is 6,000. I don't know. Try this. Too low. So I cannot get rid of anything here, or maybe something wrong with my formula. But if I include 44, it's gonna be too long. I think. Not sure. I cannot get rid of anything. $20. Okay, let's calculate why I'm doing this one. So left of n when n plus divide by 2 here, but from the first one I also need 1 here to be like palindromic. So this means I have to go round it up, which I can use even with L. It's just round up L to even number, and then I can divide by 2. So I got this. Now with this, I can plus 0, 1, 2, 3. For the next larger, so I include 0 because like something could be like this one 4, 7, like 7, 7. It could be like something next. Okay, for this one sample. So the palindrome will be 396, 3996, and 6993, which is already bigger than this one. So from this, I need to find palindrome to add at the end. But if the number is mod, is even, I will take all. If number is odd, I will just take not take the last one. So this means I will take only the first number on that length. Okay, forgot. So if it's odd L, this one I want 2, and this one I want 1. Oh, do I need that? So sequence of L divided by 2. What is going with text? Okay, this is the next M. And sequence of L divided by 2. 1, 1, 2. Yep, 1, 2. Then I need palindrome on this, so minus this one to make it, and then sort this one, and then another minus. So this is reverse, and then mid M by this one by 1. Okay, then I need to concat each row, each column. So by call concat, can I use that? No, I cannot. Lambda x concat x. Okay, and then M and this one I get or the palindrome. Oh, this is done. Okay, got the new. This one is right. Yeah. So with Excel, I think I haven't exclude anything, but I have to do step by step here. So let's say I'll just leave it running. If I go in one shot, 35, and I just leave it running and see it later if it's good. Okay, I just gonna complete this one. So with this, I go with change this one to number M N O. Okay, O is this one. So this is O. And then I have to check if this one I don't need it because it's smaller, so I have to check. Filter, no. Filter O when O is more than N. And at some point I only need next 3. This one give me 4, so I will take only the first 3 column. When I get everything, I can use V-step and reduce to combine this one, or I can use recursive bisection. So this means I need to make this one into function. So let palindrome PA is lambda n. Then let L is this one. And then PA on this. Okay. Now I need to do recursion, bisection recursive. So then bisection lambda bs on n. Okay, on A, and then let n is rows of A. If n equal to 1, then PA on A. If not, we step BS on take A n divided by 2. And then this one change to drop. Close. Now I can BS on this one. Oh, no, it needs to be comma. And this one. Close. Yep. Okay. Oh. So it's still, I think it's not showing anything. I just keep it running, and you can download the file later and see if this formula working. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye.